little bit longer. Sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot undo it. So please stay. I know that we've been fighting, but can we just hold up, maybe stay up, try to make things right? I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my...
So this shade is actually much darker. So I am using this. Actually, this is a big hack for all of you. So I'm going to use it as a bronzer. So let's see how it works. It's like my experiment, like it's a live experiment. Oh my god.
It'll be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better. And I apologize for everything.
Like it's working, dude.